Ever wonder which essential oils for protection are best? Or how about essential oils that encourage one to live in integrity? In this video on how to use On Guard to support and process emotions naturally, I've got answers. If you're looking for an essential emotions coach that can help you improve your health, body, finances, business, or relationships, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And stick around to the end to hear how to get my Essential Oils Emotional Reference Guide. I'm so excited to share with you today. My name is vanZ. I'm a registered nurse, certified essential emotions coach, and body talk practitioner. I have been involved in the wellness industry, educating and working with thousands of people like you for 30 plus years. I help people to become emotionally, physically, and financially self-reliant. In this video, I will share from one of my favorite reference guides, the Essential Emotions book, On Guard's Emotional Resume. I'll touch on how to use it and the positive and negative properties. So let's jump into learning about On Guard's Emotional Resume. It is one of the essential oils for protection. Well, it's actually a blend, so there's multiple. This combination of essential oils is generally used to shield individuals from harmful threats. This blend's protective properties, however, extend beyond the physical level by aiding individuals in warding off evil energetic parasites, domineering personalities, and other negative influences. On Guard strengthens the immune system, which governs the ability to defend against attacks from both physical and negative energies. On Guard is incredibly helpful for strengthening the inner self, aka inner man, along with inner resolve to stand up for oneself and live in integrity. This blend is especially indicated for personalities who have weakened boundaries due to some kind of perpetual violation of personal space. On Guard gives individuals strength to say no and to maintain clear boundaries. It cuts away unhealthy connections such as codependency, parasitic relationships, or emotional viruses that are found in negative group thought. On Guard greatly assists individuals in learning to stand up for themselves and live in integrity with their true self. Now, let's move on to covering the negative emotions and positive properties. Negative emotions that On Guard helps with, they help to address the feelings of being attacked, unprotected, vulnerable, controlled, manipulated, susceptible to peer pressure. And the positive properties include healthy boundaries, protected, capable, integrity, independent, and reinforced and strengthened. To wrap it up, let's touch on the uses. Aromatically, you can inhale it directly from the bottle, or you can put 1 to 3 drops in a diffuser. Topically, you can apply it with some carrier oil over the chest, the throat, or the bottoms of your feet. Environmentally, it's great to use by adding a couple of drops to some water in a spray bottle and misting it around the home. And internally, you can take 1 to 2 drops directly under the tongue or place it in a capsule or water. Comment below on what emotion you would like to know how to support. And click the bell if you appreciated this content to make sure you get notified when the next video is uploaded. You made it to the end. Download my freebie that can be found via the link in the description field. And please take a moment to like, subscribe, and watch related videos.